How's it going, guys? Today I was sorting out my laptops and I've got quite a few of them. I was ordering laptops in bulk, just broken ones, because I was going to part them out, and I started doing that, and then I ended up fixing a bunch of them and just flipping them. And I was making some decent money with it. I guess I just had a couple of bad experiences, and the 3D printing and a few other things I've been doing have been making more money. But this was a good money maker, so I don't know. I guess I just wanted to show off how many laptops I have because I organized them a little bit today. I know they don't look super organized, but they're just right there on the floor in my closet. I still have a few more, to probably like 10 or 20 more. Anyway, but most of these are broken, so yeah, I mean, I've just got like a bunch of keyboards. These are all almost the same, and so I was just taking those apart, and those are keyboards from them, and little CMOS batteries and screws, RAM doors, stuff like that. So anyway, just if you guys want to see how to take apart or how to fix laptops, because I do have a lot of experience fixing laptops, honestly I can repair probably any laptop. I'd be happy to make some videos about that. Just let me know in the comments, and I can do that. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.